Welcome to NCERT Mathematics Chapter 3 How Many Squares? In the textbook, first they have asked us to find how many squares. First, a rectangle is given with dots in that, and one square is colored in red color. And they have asked us to find out what is the measure of the side of the square on the dotted sheet. Okay, this is the dotted sheet which is given for us. In this, one square is given. They have asked us to measure that. So here when we measure, it is from 0 to 1, so it is 1 centimeter. So what is the measure of that square? 1 centimeter. Next, draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. So for one square it has been drawn. So the red square which is there in the dots. So they are asking us to make like that 12 squares. How many squares? 12 squares. Now first we will take that sheet which is given. Now how many squares they have asked us to do? Same 1 centimeter length, 12 squares we have to draw. So for example, now this is the green one I am doing. Check it out. 1, that is 1, yes or no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 squares in that, yes or no? So this is the first set which I have done. Similarly, like this I can do the second set. Now the third set. Yes or no? Now you count it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many squares are there in third set? Same 12. So similarly I can do it for the fourth set, the fifth set. Now this is the sixth set and this is the seventh set. So no. So totally how many sets are made and each is having how many squares? It is having 12 boxes. So no, 12 squared boxes, like from 1 to 12. So how many are there in that? 12. If we take the second one also, 12. Third one also 12, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Similarly, this is also same shape, 12, 12, 12. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here also 12 squares are there. So each set is having how many squares? 12 squares. And left out, if I draw here, how many I will get? Think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So will that become a set? No, because they have asked us to make a set of 12 squares. I hope everyone understood till here. So this is the seventh one. Now, how many rectangles could you make? So totally how many rectangles we made like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many rectangles we made? 7 rectangles we made. Now note, the length of the boundary is called perimeter. So the length of the boundary, when we add the count the boundaries like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that to 12. Again similarly on top like that and the sides like that. So when we count the boundary like that, it is called perimeter. And if we count the area like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is the area. And there is a video on area and perimeter already in this link is given in the description. Please check out that once before going to this chapter. Okay, ma? Now the next question. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So all have the same area, but the length of the boundary will be different. Yes or no? Now each rectangles which we drawed in the last one is having the same squares. So no, 12 squares are there. But are they in the same shape? No, because few are like in a straight line. Yes or no? Like this we made, and few made it into the type of a box like this we made it. So the perimeters are different, but area is same. Now next, which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? Now they were asking us which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter. Now already we have seen this figure before. First we'll go back to the figure and we will find out the perimeter. Now this is the figure. So just now I told you how we will find the perimeter. If we add the boundary, we will get the perimeter. And area, if we add inside the number of square units, then we will get the area. Perimeter. Now let's see for the first set of rectangle. So perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus this side is how much? 1 plus this side. On top again how many will be there? 12 plus again this side 1. So that will be 12 plus 12 24 plus 1 25 plus 1 26. Understood how we got this? Yes. So similarly the perimeter for this also will be same because it is similarly like the first rectangle. Now we will count for this, for the third one. Okay, for the third one. So how we'll count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much we got? The perimeter for third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, because all are of same shape. That will be 14, and for 1 and 2 we got it as 26. All of you understood till here? Yes. Now we'll move. So see here, did we get the same? Rectangle 1 26, rectangle 2 26 and the remaining rectangles 14. So this we can find in the form of a formula also, children. Like as I told you in the description, I have kept the links. Once check there, they have given clearly. Now perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth or width, we can say. So for 1 and 2, what is the length? It is 12. Yes or no? So 12 plus what is the breadth? It is 1. So 2 into 12 plus 1, that is 2 into 13, 26. For the next rectangles 3, 4, 5 and 6, 2 into what is the length? 3. And what is the breadth? 4. 2 into 7, that is 14. So the question given for us is, which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? So longest perimeter is for rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. And which of these rectangles has the smallest perimeter? So the smallest perimeter is 14, that is for rectangles 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay children, understood till here? Thank you.